In this video, I'm going to teach you more about HTML attributes and how to incorporate them into HTML tags that you already know and have been using. Now, HTML attributes provide additional metadata for HTML tags to use and display. The example that I used in the last video was the image tag, which I used a source attribute to give this image tag a URL of an image to display. Now, since I already used that example, let's use a different example. Let's create a link using the a tag and the href attribute. Now, with the href attribute, it gives a link, a URL to go to. So let's send this link to google.com. And in between the a tags, we'll give the anchor text Google. So here you see our link. It has the text Google, and then when we click on it, it goes to google.com. Now the reason that I did a right click and open in a new tab is because if I clicked on this now, it will send my current web page to Google, and I don't want to do that. So we can use another HTML attribute to get around that, and that's called target. And we give that a value of equals underscore blank. So now when I click on this, it opened in a new tab, which this is great if you want your website to stay open when a user clicks on a different link. So in this video, you learn more about HTML attributes and how to incorporate them into existing HTML tags that you already know and have been using. Now in the next video, I'm going to teach you all about HTML classes and how to use them to organize your HTML.